What's up, folks, and welcome back to Dyce Reacts. Back at you with another banger. Yes, folks, I'm in my studio. I'm in Dyce React studio. I am about to drop some bangers for you guys tonight. Oh yeah, we're gonna be checking out Black Sabbath. Now the track is called Supernaut. Very much check this one out. We ain't gonna waste no more time. Just gonna get right into it, folks. We're gonna get right into it. Oh yeah. Did I see good Supernaut. The guitar is nasty on this, man. When I mean nasty, I mean good. I mean, this has a grunge feel to it, really grunge sound to it. I've never heard Black Sabbath in that light from the songs that I've did. Nothing close to that. Very, very different. We're gonna take it back just a bit. So It's changed completely. It's changed. Different, just like a different song. This was an interesting song, very different from what I've heard from them. I love it, but I don't know the message in the song. I don't know if Supernaut is an actual term or it's something that they made up and give it their own definition. So you guys gotta hit me up in the comments with that one. I must say, it really has that grunge sound, especially the type of the guitar effect used for this song. So I would say this has to be at least the early 90s Black Sabbath. I'll give the early 90s because it's a little harder than things that I've heard. This song really has that grunge, early 90s grunge sound. Yeah, I have no idea what it's talking about, because while I'm listening to the song, I'm just wondering, is it the actual term called Supernaut, or is it something that they just made up? So you guys gotta hit me up in the comments with some more information about that. Please, if you guys know the band that I'm talking about called Goose, they came out, I don't know if they came out in the 90s, but it was in the 90s for sure when the album came out. Yeah, hit me up in the comments. Hit me up with some more suggestions and I'm gonna try my best to deliver. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your friends and your family. It'll certainly help me out here on this channel. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what's on your mind. Dyce Reacts got your back. Feel free to leave some suggestions, engage with the audience, because that's what we're here for. On this channel, we are here for one another, folks. Don't you ever get that. I'm going to be doing better reactions tonight, so you guys stick around with that. Not going to hold you guys any longer. This is going to be for my reaction. This is where I'm going to be making my exit. So until next time, peace out.